Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll tackle a common concern among Snapchat users: how to disable the save option in your chats. Let's dive right into it. First things first. Open up Snapchat on your device. Once you're in, locate the chat icon, which is usually next to the More Lenses option. Go ahead and select it. Now, choose the person with whom you want to disable the message saving feature. In my case, I want to select this person. So, I click on its profile. Once you're in their profile, look for the three dots in the upper right corner of their profile. Click on those three dots, and a menu will pop up. From there, tap on Chat Settings. Within the Chat Settings, you'll find the Delete Chat option. Go ahead and tap on it. Inside the Delete Chat options, you'll see various choices. Choose the After Viewing option. This ensures that your chat will no longer be saved. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can disable the save option for your chats on Snapchat. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.